I have to make video for Texas. Her grandfather didn't get to come. There's Eva, very loopy. Is that Lisa? Hey.
We'll see you right afterwards then, okay?
Okay. There goes Lisa, Waterworks Gardening. It's okay.
So we'll do the head-on the pharmacy, okay? Okay, just 1 second.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, they're having so much furniture expense. Is it Eva? Eva, okay. What's her birth date?
April 1st.
April 1st, sorry. Okay. Do you know her medical record number? No. Okay. 1259. What are we going to be doing today?
Left heart repair and ear tube.
Okay. Should we read down forms, decided consent?
Yes.
No allergies to the
This is what happens when a 18 months ends up taking some happy juice.
7:30 last night.
Like, she's trying to tell me something like, don't do drugs, people. Don't do drugs.
So is that why you're acting when you're 2 months old, 2 weeks old, huh?
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Is she laughing?
Yeah.
Hi, Papa.